You guys would not believe the nightmare I've gone through the last few days trying to get the next video prepared, even recorded. I've had all sorts of problems, even from the initial recording, there was no sound, and the next recording, the lighting was so bad that I couldn't correct it, and not be able to find a spot to record because there was too much noise or the lighting was not good.
It was just awful.
Basically, I'm not at my normal location. I'm out of state, and I even thought I packed my main microphone and find that I left that too. So it's it's been a pain. I've been typically been uploading one video a week, and I haven't been able to do it this time. So as soon as it's available, I'll let you know. I'm going to be using my All About Rush Facebook page for updates and more communication because you know I don't have a community in YouTube yet, so can't do it there. But this will be well and good enough. So I hope to get in touch with you guys soon with a new video at All About Rush, the YouTube channel, and hope you have a great day, everybody. Rush on.